In this video, I'm going to show you how to change candle color on Tickblaze. Now to do this, you want to open your chart and then you want to double click on any candle. So I'm going to double click over here, and as you can see, it's going to open up the settings. And if I now go to bar color over here, which is the second tab, you can see up bar and down bar, and you can go and change this. So I'm going to go and, for example, click on dark cyan over here, and I'm going to change this to a different color. Let's actually make it orange red like this, or something else. Let's go with maybe like even white, and I'm gonna go with white over here, and then you want to go with the border pen as well, and you can change that as well. I'm gonna make it a white over here too, or something similar. And then of course, whenever you've done this, you can just go and apply this by tapping the apply button at the bottom, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to change your candle colors. Okay, you can of course change the stroke style as well, and then the down bar too, but that's essentially how you do this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.